Hello, everyone. It's E from MarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. And we'll take a couple of minutes just to explore the new tools that are being offered. We've got 3 indicators that will come along with this package. Let's take a look at them. And these are NinjaTrader 8 indicators. We can get them coded for anything like Thinkorswim, TradeStation, Sierra charts, whatever. But currently they are coded for NinjaTrader 8. If we have any interest, I would say 5 traders that want another platform, be more than happy to get them coded for you. But currently they are for NinjaTrader 8. I've selected that because it's a free offering. And they allow new traders to start with their platform for free. And it's a good way for people to get practice and get started. So that's what I've coded them for. And you're free to use those. Obviously, start an account if you want access to live trading. But I would recommend that's a good place to start. Angels and Demons. These are institutional signal bars that actually Kevin Haggerty of Fidelity Investments had put together as his signal bar strategy. And I freely admit that I've taken his strategy and automated it and add a new twist to it, and you'll see that. Balance of Power is a brand new one. It's one of the most powerful web sheets I have. I'm not even offering that without some kind of a combination package. You cannot get access to this. It's just that powerful unless you take it through a test drive in a program like this. And then the Widget that we've been using for a while now, and unbelievable in terms of allowing hands-free analysis. You don't have to use your spreadsheets, and I fill out my spreadsheets a little bit later in the day as I get time. Let's take a quick peek at a couple of these. It's highly customizable, and this is the E-Widget, and you'll note I've got this set for 2 days. And I can immediately see, just at looking at this, how we have bumped into the middle of the prior day's range at 1272. This is the OEX for traders that like the options. This is an example of the flexibility of this. I can set this for whatever days I want, whether it's a 2-day or a week or a month or a year, whether I want to set it for 2 hours, and then show me the range. And this is all customizable. And here's the mini S&P. And this is the Rocket Man setting for the widget. And basically, this chart will show us the extreme zones. This would be the extreme back in here for today as resistance. Normal resistance is this box. Normal support is this box. And then below here, 2 levels of support. You can see how that has worked overnight. Gap down, bounced up, came right through the middle. This is our middle, the flipper right here, we call it. Above that, the market is bouncing. Below it, trying to find support. And currently, obviously, we can tell just by looking at this that these are the 2 most important boxes that need resolving right now. That's the mini widget, very versatile, very functional, and customizable to your colors, your settings, any settings you want on this, amount of days you want to use it for, and it comes with our predetermined settings. And one of the spreadsheets that you will get will have a formula that will help you to compute this setting. Very powerful. And here's our angels and demons. Professional signal bars. And you'll note that RTH today, we have been unable to penetrate and break the angel from Friday, RTH. And we've not taken out the middle. We think the middle is significant in these relationships. Not been able to take out, other than a point or so, a couple of points above that range from Friday, the middle of the demon at 23 and the 49 angel at the end of the day. And you'll note Just how this 92 area we've called today as our resistance. It's the high of that bar that we think is holding the longs captive as well. And you can see in today's settings, we've got 62 angel and we've got 75.5 as our demon. In the middle is this 68.75. So this is all done automatically, and you can put your own settings in there and your own colors. And I do them different colors for a couple of days in a row to follow my sequence and make it easier. And this is programmed for the RTH, and then I have one program for the Globex range as well. And this is the all-day angels and demons. And we can see just how important that low from Friday was at 34 low has held overnight. Angel set up at 22.5 and washed out. The traders held at 10 to 12 area, and the signal bar is here. Once we're above that, it's current middle. You can see that held the low. This is your overnight squeeze. This is a program trade. You can tell just by looking at other charts. And then a huge demon when we got into the resistance, and then we've been trapped ever since in there. So today, currently, until we re-trigger the 63s, got to get back underneath here and stay under to get anything coming back south side. And obviously looking at this chart, that 42 to 43 is going to be an important area as well going forward. Look at the angels and demons. With the balance of power, we've got the new spreadsheet that's been applied to an indicator. And I will be teaching that as well extensively, because that will show me the relative strength for not only the day traders, but the swing and position traders, show you exactly where we think the key areas of support and resistance are. For today, for example, we've called right now 70.5 as our balance of power. And above that, we're going long side, and below that, the market's trying to find support. And this is not the balance of power chart. This is an RTH E-mini with the day's range, but this line I put on to show you where I believe the balance of power is. And that will be explained, and it's crystal clear once you see those charts. Totally different. Showing the flexibility of the widget. Is a 2-day range. Tesla, you can see where we stalled at a 40 back. We got a 1, 2, 3. Typically going to stall there, come back, and now obviously testing back at the bottom of the second box. Here's a side-by-side look, one day to the next. And you can easily see where this falls and where it is stalled. Doesn't matter what you're using, options, stocks, futures, ETFs, this stuff will work. And you find out the typical rhythm of the investment vehicle you're using, and then this will do it automatically for you. Thanks for listening. Hope this gives you some insights into these valuable tools that I use, and I think they will be a big help to your trading as well. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.